Guys, good morning. Hope everyone had a good New Year's last night. My wife and I actually put this in the business Telegram chat. This is free if you guys want to join this. We ended up we had a great time, but we were party poopers. We hosted so many people in December at our house just for events that we were like, we need a date night in with the family. So anyways, that was our New Year's night. And then after we had that, I'm telling you guys, we were party poopers. We went to bed probably, I think it was about 10 o'clock. Didn't even make it to 12. But our daughter wasn't feeling good, so we were up from 12 to about 5 o'clock last night. So I'm running on a little steam right now. So if I flip-flop some numbers today, that's why. But I want to get into this because I'm excited, guys, because XLM and XRP are taking off. And I just want to do just a video here showcasing XLM and XRP and give you guys some price targets if you're cool with that. And then let you guys know about a really cool update we're going to do tomorrow this is going to be Friday in the future forecast, because we have the brand new charts, guys, that we're going to be releasing that literally are the Bitcoin predictive price analyst charts that are going to predict and show us the path of Bitcoin, where it's expected to go every single day for 2025. And we've had staggering results of this in 2024, and they've gotten us into some of the best entries in cryptocurrency. But this is going to actually be released tomorrow, and then I'm going to show you this to you guys on the future forecast, which is on Friday. And basically, we're going to show you guys the 11-year average of what Bitcoin's expected to do in blue for 2025, and then we're going to show you the 4-year cycle of what's expected to happen with Bitcoin. So 25 is correlated to 2017 and 2021. You guys are going to actually see the heartbeat of Bitcoin laid out on a map, predicted 365 days in advance. And it has been insanely accurate ever since we got to about September. We've been following along these lines, and we actually followed perfectly on the 4-year. So I just get jacked up about that because I'm going to work on that right after this video. But you guys can grab a membership if you want to see that on the future forecast on Friday. All right, let's get into this, guys. I'm going to start with XLM if that's cool with you guys. XLM, guys, is going to do very well this cycle. XRP is going to do insanely well. ISO gets released. ISO 20022 gets released March 10th, okay, in about 3 months. I do think it's going to be very bullish for all the ISO coins. Look at XLM, guys. We ended up buying about $10,000 of XLM on this candle wick drop right here, and obviously that entry is doing very well. So here's what we've got. Bullish divergence on XLM, then we're going to go to XRP. You can see that we had price action make a lower low here. We have a higher low on whale money flow. What does this mean? Let's pause right here. Whales were consistently buying up XLM as the price was going back down. This is what's called bullish divergence. Also, trades in favor said that the favor was we were at close to about a 79% chance of a pump down here, and we saw the move back up. And then we saw the move back down while we have trades in favor moving back up here. Guys, this is bullish divergence. The most bullish thing, in my opinion, is that we ended up breaking on this bullish divergence formation, the descending resistance line here, which I do think is not unrealistic. The next target, guys, is simply just 43 cents, which is another 11.61% up from where we're at. Now, why do I say that, guys? Because Fibonacci retracements and extensions are going to be very powerful in this cycle, especially when we go to blue sky breakouts and there's nothing to the left side. So the low to the high for XLM, we can see here that we drop back down into the golden ratio, about the 50% retracement. And I called this out for some of our members, and I told you guys, like, I'm getting in, so we ended up buying in, and I think this is going to do very well. Watch this. XLM back to its high, which I do believe we could hit this high sometime in February. I think January is a little bit aggressive, but in February sometime. Guys, it's 64%. Please remember this, because now I'm going to compare this to XRP, and I want to point something out to you guys. XRP has done very well, but XRP, guys, it's not going to return to you as much as XLM in the short term. Okay, if you're looking to make the most fiat money, I do not think it's going to happen in XRP. It will happen in XLM. Watch this. XRP has a double bottom. Well money flow, double bottom. Trades in favor, starting to move back down here, absolutely just gaining just this slingshot momentum, pulling back. And this is why I think we're going to launch. Here's the thing, guys. If you were to ask me right now, which one of these, XLM or XRP, has the greatest chance of going up another 10% fastest, hands down, it is XLM. It's stellar lumens, okay? Here's why. If you're looking to make the most money here, back to previous all-time high, you're going to make 64.56% on XLM. Let's just call it 64%. XRP, guys, you're only going to do about 30%. You are going to make less than 50%. If you were to put $100,000 into each of these, you'll make less than 50%. You will double your money more in XLM than you are in XRP. I know this is kind of making some XRP fans mad. Here's the deal, though. I personally do believe that the facilitation of XRP as it deals with financial institutions, where XLM deals with peer-to-peer cross-border payments, I do think the future of XRP is brighter, which is why I have a whole lot more XRP than XLM. But these two are our top two holdings. I am very bullish on, I think we might have bounced over 2 million here. I'm very bullish on the ISO coins, guys. All right, $1 million is our principal balance. So we are $1,002,000 in profit this morning, okay? We have 254,000 XRP and we have 637,000 XLM. And I do think they're going to do quite well. But the next targets for XRP, easily, guys, I think by the end of, I'm gonna say by the end of February, I think we could see at least a $2.90 XRP. And then from there, guys, I really do believe we are going to see $5 and $6 probably by April or May, and that's based off some pretty good technical analysis, not actually being very aggressive. April and May, $5 to $6. Now, let me corroborate this, because some of you guys are like, you're just throwing that out there. No, I'm really not. Look at what Ethereum has done for us in the returns in the cyclical year of 2025, which is matched up with 2017, and it's matched up with 2021. Like, look at this, guys. I know price was lower, but follow me here. We saw nothing but 5 months, 6 months in 2017 of just bullishness. And guess what? Ethereum is the parent of altcoins. And so I believe XLM and XRP and all of our altcoins are going to do fantastically well in the next 4, 5, and 6 months. Now, the less aggressive approach is maybe looking at something like 2021. Okay, well, maybe we don't do 6 months, but we do 4 months. All right, I need follow me on this, guys, because this is what we're doing in our membership. And if you guys don't know this, this is where it gets interesting, because some of you guys are thinking that the cycle is going to end in November and December, and I don't blame you, but don't screw this up, okay? Watch this. Normal cycles, if you look at Bitcoin charts, you're going to see Bitcoin top in 2017 and 21. They topped in November and December, okay? November and December. Here's the thing I don't want you guys to screw up. In 2025, a lot of people are going to look to sell their altcoins in November or December, and that's not going to be the case. Okay, look at this. I'm going to give you guys just some straight facts here. In 2021, altcoins topped in November and December, and then guess where in 2017 they topped? April and May. And if you would have held Dogecoin and XRP in 2017 to the end of the year where Bitcoin topped, guess how much you would have lost? We already showed this to our members. 70 to 80% of all of your Doge and XRP, and you can run this across the gamut of altcoins, guys. You lost that money. Literally, it wasn't even worth it for you because you watched it go up and go all the way back down. Here's the deal. On Friday, I'm going to be showing you guys the updated chart of what we call the altcoin retirement chart. Follow me here. I know this is getting crazy here. And we're making some big claims, altcoin retirement. I'm not claiming anybody will retire, but I'm going to show you guys literally how I plan on retiring in 2026, after 25 with this chart. This chart, it's a free indicator we're going to give everybody on Friday, okay? This has called the peaks of altcoins in 17 and 21, all right? We are down here. We have then parsed out. I showed this to you guys yesterday, but I'm going to be a broken record. This is what you guys need to be watching. We have a section that has a 10 to 20% exit. We are then going to have a section here where we're going to follow a 30 to 40% exit. And then we've got a top section on the indicator where we are all going to be exiting. I'm going to be exiting. You can do whatever you want. 80 to 90%. And all we're doing, guys, because, guys, look, total 2, others.d, all of these dominance charts that track altcoins, guess what? They're starting to move back up. We are getting closer and closer to the first scale out point of 10 to 20%. And I wouldn't doubt if we even hit this in February. So we have about 30 to 45 days before our first scale out. We're going to be scaling out of this market and following literally the only chart that we can find our hand and get our hands on that have called the peaks of altcoins in the last 2 cycles. And we're not going to hold through a ridiculous drawdown of 70 to 80% and lose all of our money and our hard-earned work. That's what we're going to do Friday. Okay, guys? This Friday in the future forecast in our membership is going to be awesome because this is where we start making money, guys. So here's a quick deal. Two points of announcements. In the description, there's a gift box emoji. I'm going to give you guys 25% off our membership. It's only $65 anyways. We're going to give you 25% off on top of that. You're going to be able to watch 8 future forecasts for the next month. Please go over and watch December 31st. This is going to show you guys how to actually set your money up after the bull market to put it into different buckets, which I literally show you guys my retirement plan of where to put your money to make about 4% a year and about to make 28% a year. And this only requires about an hour of work a week. Okay, this is a verified strategy. I'll show that to you guys. But on Friday, we're going to start pulling out the altcoin retirement chart, guys, and showing you how close we are at scaling out, because I'm not going to hold through this market. We are going to take some profits. The next 4 months for altcoins are going to be insanely bullish. Okay, guys, insanely bullish. And if you don't have a plan to exit and you don't have the indicator that's called the last two tops for the previous altcoin cycles, you're just going to have a really cool story. And you're not going to sell, and your reward this cycle is going to be emotional stimulus. Oh, I made a bunch of money. I made millions of dollars, and you didn't take profit. On a serious note, guys, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to exit my altcoins with you guys in our membership. So you can actually follow someone that has over $2 million, probably about $4 to $5 million at the end of this cycle, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay? On top of this, the last thing, a lot of you guys have been getting our indicators lately because we've been running some stupid sales on this. Guys, the indicators, we're going to give you guys an extra $650 off on the already discounted $499. But here's the deal. We're not going to run this on the website. We are only running this for members. So as you guys get a membership today, in the description, we are going to send an email out today at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and we're going to send another email out today at 3 p.m. Pacific time for the indicator sale that's going to end. It is $650 off our indicators. These indicators have yielded us 269 wins and 0 losses. All right, guys? And there's a full performance track record open to the public for transparency and honesty. We are not going to run a sale like this again until springtime, okay? About the end of March. So I'm letting you guys know now, this is the time to snag this. Guys, the market's turning up here. We are going to get bullish. I hope you guys are positioned well. XLM and XRP are going to do insanely well this cycle, and that's why it's our number 1 and our number 2 pick for this bull market and going into the future. I love you guys. Grab that membership. Get watching those videos and watch on Friday, because we're getting closer and closer to scaling out of these altcoins and taking some profit back home. I love you guys. Have a good one. Enjoy the indicator coupons, and I'll see you guys in the next video and on the future forecast on Friday. Bye, guys. God bless.